Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to save website as PDF in Google Chrome. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Google Chrome. Now I'll open a website. For now, I'll go with this tutorial point, and over here you can see this is the website. Now I'll open one blog over here. You can see this is the blog. Now, if I wanna save this as PDF, just type Ctrl and P to print this whole website. And now over here on the destination, you can see here is my printer name. Just select this Save as PDF. And now you can see my PDF is created. After that, you can play with these options over here. You can go with all the pages, or you can just customize from here. If I want just page number 1, 2, 4, then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 pages are selected. Also, here is page per sheet. If you want 1 page per sheet, it is already here. If you click on this 2, you can go with 2, 4, 9, 16, anyone. For now, I'll leave it to 1. And now you can see here is 1 sheet per page. Also, here is margin. Just check this and you can select anyone you want. Also, we can check this header and footer. For now, I don't want this, so I'll uncheck, and over here background graphics is selected. You can just uncheck if you don't want, but I'll leave it like this. Now just click on this save, and after that select the location on which you want to save. You can just I'll rename this as demo PDF file. And now just click on this save, and that's it. So in this way we can save website as a PDF in Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.